We all know turkey is traditionally served at Thanksgiving, but this year we wanted to shake it up a little bit and serve fish as part of our Thanksgiving meal, specifically salmon. Salmon are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and are one of the most popular fish to eat in the US. And did you know that you can catch your own wild salmon? Salmon can be caught in many states in the lower 48. In the East, you can catch salmon in Lake Erie and Lake Ontario via New York, Pennsylvania, and Ohio. In the Midwest, you can catch them in Lake Michigan and Lake Superior via Michigan and Wisconsin. And on the Pacific Coast, you can catch salmon across Washington, Oregon, California, and as far inland as Idaho. Some states even have inland lake salmon programs, opening up even more opportunities for anglers. So today I'm recreating a delicious salmon recipe that you can try out on your wild caught salmon. Let's get started. In a bowl, mix together 1/3 cup of olive oil, 1/3 cup of soy sauce, 1.5 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. Add in your salmon and let it marinate for about 30 minutes. While the salmon is marinating, preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove the fish from the marinade and season it with 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of parsley, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Place your salmon in the oven and bake for about 12 to 15 minutes until it's cooked thoroughly. Let it rest for 10 minutes before serving. Now it is time to eat. It smells incredible. It looks incredible. Let's take our first bite. Cheers. Ooh, so flavorful, so delicious. A beautifully cooked salmon. Definitely give this recipe a try and let us know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe to the Take Me Fishing YouTube channel so that you guys don't miss out on any future videos. And for more helpful fishing tips, visit takemefishing.org.